Hey folks, this is Shailesh Manjrekar here at CloudFabrix. Very excited to be talking to you about two more modules we are releasing on the Cisco FSO platform next week. So as you may be aware, we already have vSphere Observability, which was the first module which went generally available at Cisco Live in June this year. Additionally, we are releasing two more modules next week at Partner Summit, primarily around SAP Observability and Campus Analytics. This particular video talks about the use case for Campus Analytics and showcases the demo. So if you look at the use case here, what we have enterprise customers and telcos telling us is, hey, we want to glean insights into our campus networks. Particularly for a use case known as return to work or return to office, where they want to aggregate all the analytics across multiple Cisco DNAC controllers and be able to get primarily insights into the inventory, what are the wireless access points for the devices, health insights around the DNAC controllers themselves, as well as the wireless access points, operational insights around, hey, how many logged in users, how many of them are active, where are the hotspots, CLLI codes, which are very popular, particularly in the telco world around location insights or location IDs, and then health metrics itself around metrics, logs, events, and so on. So what we do with our RDA Edge service is we aggregate all of that data from multiple DNAC controllers, and we ingest it into OTel format into the Cisco FSO platform to be visualized through the cloud, through the CNOW application, and glean all of these insights. So this is how you would be able to see the visualization. So you see RTO stands for return to office. You can see the different locations and the location codes associated with. You can see the controller health itself. You can see the wireless access points, and you can see the access points themselves, and then the hubs and switches associated with it. We are also able to showcase the entire topology, how the campus network is connected, and this associated metrics and logs and so on, and which actually I'll show you in the live demo as well. And the next slide actually shows you, hey, what kind of devices or family types are there within this particular campus networks, or what are the OS versions on each of these switches and routers and hubs, and are they in compliance? So you're also able to look at it from a compliance perspective, aggregating all of the data across the multiple DNAC servers. So with this, I'm going to switch over to the live demo itself, and I'll show you what we actually mean. So if you look, so this is the main screen around Campus Analytics. And you're able to see all the way from the overall return to office use case, the location codes, the number of controllers. You can see there are 7 DNAC controllers, the wireless controllers here, the access points and switches and hubs. If I were to double click on this, let me go to return to work and then just choose one of the random ones. By the way, on the left-hand side, you can see the entire entity relationship on how this return to work office environment is laid out. You can see the location codes associated, the wireless controllers with the access points and the controllers themselves. If I double click on this, I'm able to see the associated telemetry, in this case logs. I'm able to see the entire topology information with all the labels, associated labels, and see how things are connected in this campus network. I'm able to see the other metrics around CPU utilization, around memory utilization, and so on. And from here, I can drill down on any of the associated entities, whether it is location codes. So it shows all the location codes here, the wireless controllers themselves. I'm able to drill down onto them and see associated metrics with each of them. and see where the hotspots are, or if the health there are some health root violation, being able to debug and be able to root cause and remediate those issues. Going back, I can also look at the switches and hubs themselves associated with this campus. So there are about 150 switches and hubs, and I can double click on each of them and again look at the individual metrics. I can look at the reachability, right, in terms of the health. I can look at their overall health. I can look at the device status. I can look at the SSID client counts, which indicates how many users are logged into this campus network and the associated metrics. So that was a quick preview of what this module is all about. Again, we are very excited as this is a common use case across multiple telcos and enterprise customers whom we are talking to, and hoping that you are able to use this in your tenant and play with this particular module. Thanks for watching.